What if your brain refused to accept reality even when the truth is right in front of you? Scientists may have just discovered a gene that can track the brain in the wrong version of reality, and this could explain one of the most mysterious symptoms of schizophrenia. Imagine this: you learn something new, but your brain refuses to update. You keep believing something even when it's clearly wrong, not because you want to, but because your brain can't adjust. This all comes down to a gene called GRIN2A gene. This gene helps build a critical part of your brain's communication system, the NMDA receptor, which controls how neurons learn from new information. In a groundbreaking study, researchers introduced a mutation in this gene, and what they saw was shocking. Subjects could learn, but when the rules changed, they couldn't adapt. They kept making the same decisions, even when those decisions stopped working. This mutation disrupted a key brain pathway, the connection between the thalamus and the prefrontal cortex. This circuit is responsible for one critical ability: updating your belief and when reality changes. When this circuit fails, your brain starts trusting old information more than new reality. This is exactly what researchers believe happens in schizophrenia. It's not just about hallucination or perception, it's about the brain's inability to correct itself. The reality changes, but the brain stays stuck. But here is where it gets incredible. Scientists were able to reactivate the circuit, and suddenly flexible thinking came back. The brain started adapting again. This changes how we think about mental illnesses. It's not just about chemical imbalance. It's not just about behavior. It could be a specific circuit, one that we might be able to fix again. One tiny change in your DNA could decide how you see reality itself. If you want more simple health facts, follow Students for Health right now.